In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove rule in Outlook. If emails are being moved, flagged, or categorized in ways you didn't expect, a rule is usually the reason. We'll remove the rule using Outlook on the web, and I'll walk you through each click so it's quick and clear. Start by opening your web browser and going to your search engine of choice, like Google. In the search box, type Outlook, then select the official Outlook website from Microsoft. It will take you to outlook.live.com. If you're asked to sign in, use your usual account and complete sign-in so you land in your inbox. Once you're in Outlook, look to the top right of the page and select the gear icon. That's the Settings button. This opens a panel where you can manage how Outlook behaves. From here, choose Mail to open the full set of mail-related settings. This is where Outlook groups things like layout, compose settings, and most importantly for us, rules. Inside the Mail Settings area, select Rules. You'll see a list of any rules currently applied to your mailbox. Each rule typically has a name and a short description of what it does, like moving messages from a certain sender into a folder. Take a moment to identify the rule that's causing the behavior you want to stop. If you're not sure, look for the one whose condition and action match what you're seeing in your inbox. When you've found the rule you want to remove, look for the three dots icon next to it. That's the More Actions menu. Click those three dots to open the options for that specific rule. From the menu that appears, choose Delete Rule. Outlook will ask you to confirm, just to make sure you don't remove something by accident. Click OK to confirm. The rule will disappear from the list, and it will no longer run on incoming messages. If you had multiple rules and only removed one, the others will stay as they are. If you're dealing with several rules, it can help to remove them one at a time so you can pinpoint exactly which one was causing the issue. A couple of quick tips as you finish up. If you don't immediately see the change in your inbox, give the page a quick refresh. And if the settings panel looks a little different, don't worry. The rules option will still be within your mail settings. That's it. You've successfully removed a rule in Outlook and stopped it from affecting your email.